Hey guys, what's up? It's your girl creator back with another video. Everyone's always looking for ways to make money, right? Especially us teens. We've got places to be, things to buy. You know the vibes. Guess what? You don't have to be stuck in some dead-end summer job to make it happen. The internet is overflowing with opportunities to stack some cash. In this video, I'm spilling the tea on the top 10 ways you can make money online as a teen in 2024. We're talking real strategies, real tips, and real potential to actually make bank. Before we jump in, make sure you smash that like button, hit subscribe, and turn on notifications so you don't miss any of my future videos. Let's get this bread. Alright, so first up we've got freelancing. Freelancing is basically being your own boss, setting your own hours, and working from wherever you want. The beauty of freelancing is that you can get paid for anything you're good at. Are you a coding whiz, a graphic design guru, a writing wizard? There are people out there willing to pay you for those skills. Platforms like Upwork and Fiverr are like the Tinder for freelancers and clients. You create a profile, showcase your skills, and bam, you're in the game. Clients post jobs, you submit proposals, and if they dig your vibe, you've got yourself a gig. It might seem intimidating at first, but once you start landing clients and seeing that money roll in, you'll be hooked. Just remember to stay organized, manage your time wisely, and don't be afraid to negotiate your rates. Now let's move on to the next money-making opportunity, shall we? Next up, we're diving into the world of YouTube. I'm talking about starting your own channel and becoming the next big YouTube sensation. Now, I know you're probably thinking, Emma, there are already like a million YouTubers out there. What makes me think I can make it? And to that I say, why not you? Everyone has a unique voice and perspective to share with the world. Find your niche, be yourself, and let your personality shine through. The key to YouTube success is consistency and quality content. Post regularly, engage with your viewers, and always strive to improve your videos. Once you hit a certain number of subscribers and watch hours, you can monetize your channel and start earning money from ads. So what are you waiting for? Grab your phone, start filming, and show the world what you've got. Okay, so you're a pro at something, right? Like maybe you're a Photoshop wizard, a knitting ninja, or you can solve a Rubik's Cube in under 10 seconds. Whatever your talent, you can turn that knowledge into cold, hard cash by creating and selling digital products. Think ebooks, online courses, templates, presets, the possibilities are endless. Once you create the product, you can sell it over and over again without having to put in any extra work. Platforms like Gumroad and Teachable make it super easy to sell your digital products. The key to success in the digital product game is to create high-quality, valuable content that solves a specific problem for your audience. Do your research, find out what people are struggling with, and create a product that provides a solution. You might just surprise yourself with what you come up with. Let's be real, we all have opinions, right? And in the vast expanse of the internet, there's a platform for everyone to share their thoughts, ideas, and quirky observations with the world. Blogging. Now, before you roll your eyes and think blogging is like, so 2010, hear me out. Blogging is still a thing, and it can be a lucrative way to make money online, especially if you're passionate about a particular topic. Whether you're a fashionista, a foodie, a travel enthusiast, or a tech geek, there's an audience out there eager to hear what you have to say. Create a blog, share your unique perspective, and watch as your readership grows. Once you've built a decent following, you can monetize your blog through ads, sponsored posts, and affiliate marketing. Ads are pretty self-explanatory. You display ads on your blog and you earn money based on the number of impressions or clicks. Blogging takes time, effort, and consistency, but if you're willing to put in the work, it can be a rewarding and profitable online venture. Plus, you get to be your own boss, set your own hours, and write about whatever you want. Okay, so maybe you're not trying to launch a full-blown online empire. Maybe you just want a simple, low-key way to make some extra cash in your spare time. Let me introduce you to the wonderful world of online surveys and market research. Companies are constantly looking for consumer feedback to improve their products and services, and they're willing to pay you for your valuable opinions. There are tons of legit survey websites and apps out there like Swagbucks, Survey Junkie, and Vindale Research. You sign up, create a profile, and start taking surveys that match your interests. You're not going to get rich taking online surveys, but it's an easy, flexible way to make some extra cash in your free time. Just be sure to choose reputable survey sites, read the fine print, and don't expect to make a full-time income from it. But hey, every little bit helps, right? Have you ever raved about a product to your friends and wished you could get paid for your impeccable taste? Well, guess what? You can. It's called affiliate marketing. You partner with a brand or company, promote their products or services to your audience, and earn a commission on any sales made through your unique affiliate link. The key to successful affiliate marketing is to be authentic and genuine in your recommendations. Don't just promote any random product or service that comes your way. Choose products that you actually use and believe in, and your audience will be more likely to trust your recommendations. There are tons of affiliate programs out there, like Amazon Associates, ShareASale, and CJ Affiliate. You sign up, choose the products or services you want to promote, and start sharing your unique affiliate links with your audience. Affiliate marketing can be a lucrative way to monetize your blog, website, social media following, or even just your email list. Not too shabby, right? All right, so you're crafty, creative, and you have a knack for making things that people actually want to buy. Sound familiar? If so, then Etsy is your new best friend. Etsy is like the ultimate online marketplace for all things handmade, vintage, and unique. From jewelry and clothing to home decor and art prints, if you can make it, you can probably sell it on Etsy. Setting up an Etsy shop is super easy and affordable. The key to Etsy success is to find your niche, create high-quality products, take stunning photos, and write descriptions that make people want to hit that add to cart button. Etsy is a great way to turn your creative passion into a profitable side hustle or even a full-time business. What's not to love? Are you a math whiz, a grammar guru, a history buff? If so, then you can cash in on your knowledge by becoming an online tutor. Online tutoring is a booming industry, with more and more students opting for the convenience and flexibility of virtual learning. Platforms like Schoola, TutorMe, and Chegg Tutors connect students with qualified tutors in a variety of subjects. You create a profile, list your qualifications, set your hourly rate, and start connecting with students. Online tutoring is a great way to make a difference in students' lives while also earning a decent hourly wage. Plus, it's a flexible side hustle that you can fit around your school schedule or other commitments. Okay, so this one's for all the tech-savvy teens out there. If you're fluent in coding languages and have a knack for creating user-friendly interfaces, then app development might just be your ticket to online riches. Think about it. We live in a world dominated by smartphones and apps. From social media to gaming to productivity tools, there's an app for literally everything. Creating a successful app takes time, effort, and a whole lot of coding. But if you can come up with a killer app idea that solves a problem or meets a specific need, the potential for profit is huge. Once you've developed your app, you can monetize it through app downloads, in-app purchases, subscriptions, or even advertising. If you're passionate about technology and have a great app idea, then why not give it a shot? You might just create the next big thing. Okay, let's be real, we're all addicted to social media, right? But what if I told you that you could actually get paid to scroll through Instagram, tweet witty comments, and create engaging Facebook posts? Well, guess what? You can. It's called social media management. Small businesses and even some larger companies often don't have the time or resources to manage their own social media accounts. As a social media manager, you're responsible for creating and scheduling posts, engaging with followers, running ads, and analyzing social media data. It's a great way to learn about the ins and outs of digital marketing while also building your resume and earning some cash. Plus, you can often do it remotely, which means you can work from anywhere with a Wi-Fi connection. To become a social media manager, you don't need any formal qualifications, but it helps to have a strong understanding of social media platforms, excellent communication skills, and a creative eye for content creation. So, if you're a social media butterfly who's always up to date on the latest trends, then why not turn your passion into a side hustle or even a full-time career? And there you have it, my top 10 ways for teens to make money online in 2024. Whether you're a creative soul, a tech whiz, or just someone who wants to earn some extra cash, There's an online opportunity out there for you. So get out there, explore your options, and start building your online empire. The possibilities are endless. And don't forget to check out my other videos for even more tips and tricks on how to become financially free. Until next time, stay hustling, my friends.